There's a certain magic that I feel on a Saturday morning after I've recorded something in the past and I want to turn that into a video that I'm excited to share. And maybe you felt this way too, where you have something in your camera roll and you want to turn it into a story, something that you're proud of. So in this video, I'm going to share my process, go through 0 to 1, how I make my running videos. So the story with the first of these clips is that I've been going to Alex Fitness, the local gym, for a while, and I wanted to do a time lapse of running on the treadmill in Alex Fitness, and it's because I saw like this guy doing this series called the Daily Mile where he was running on a treadmill, and I thought it was really cool as a shot. But my goal, I don't want it to be to feel obnoxious, right? I don't want you to see it and be like, oh, this is just like hustle, you know, this is just like the epitome of bro hustle culture. Like I want it to feel different. Here we are. This is where I come well, maybe not every morning, but. So the first step here that actually takes a while is just like importing all of the clips that I want to use, like for example in this running montage, from photos. And so how I do it, I basically connect my phone to the computer, and I'm going to go through and like find all the clips and then put them in Premiere, which is the tool I use to edit. So just get them all on the timeline is like the first step. And one thing I'm realizing is that I actually think it's really nice to see the date that they were filmed on. And like right now I see it's like December 19th, 28th, like January 2nd, 3rd, 8th, 9th, 14th, 15th, 17th. And so I think that could be a nice structure to have sort of the date over top of each clip. So next step is I'm finding the music for the video. And basically I use Epidemic Sounds. For me, I usually really like to use like classical music or like jazz, like something that's a bit more, that's less like dramatic and sort of Instagram-y, like less like viral, real type of vibe. Nope. I like this vibe, right? This is the one. This is like, I like that swing, you know? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. There's like pacing of it. Oh, hey man.
Hey.
Doing a vlog right now.
Yo, yo, yo.
All right, so now moving to this scripting part of it, because I feel like I have like the music, I have the clips all together now, and now I'm just like trying to think about what the message is and how I can like tie this to a message that I'm happy with. I think like where my mind is running is that we need some sort of intro shot. Like it'd be maybe if I put the camera down in the first shot and then cut between them, it like establishes the scene. The other idea is like maybe at the end of it, I could have a clip with my medal after running a race. And so the implication would be that's like sort of a conclusion to the story. All right, this is a clip from the last race at the very end.
Oh, like that.
And I'm trying to decide whether it's good to like get in there.
All these days I'm on the treadmill. That's why we're on the treadmill. Let's go.
Oh, it's kind of cringe. It's kind of cringe.
That's why we're doing this.
That's why we're doing this. Like this, that could be a good moment, right? It could. Right, all the montage of all the clips. Dun, 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 dun. Transition to the shot, to the finishing, the accomplishment shot, right? And then you think it's gonna be over, but it's not, and it concludes with the message, right? And I think the message is, like right now I'm thinking I wanna say that something about the process, about loving the process, right? What I have is 1 hour, 30, 23, 2 minutes behind PR. I love this. So basically being like, I didn't reach the goal. I worked hard, I didn't reach the goal, but I love this. But that's why we're in it. Like that's why we keep going, right? The question is those reveals, I would just reveal with black text and white words, but maybe I should put a different clip behind it as I reveal that, because that's what's really gonna bring it home. This fact that you didn't reach the goal, but you wanna but you're still going anyways. Oh, this is the shot. This is the shot. You see this here? Me frolicking in the water after the race. That's the one where I'm gonna put it. I wanna put text up here and reveal what I'm saying. All right, check this out. So this is the first time I'm adding text to the video, and I wanna show you what it looks like.
Oh, that was awesome. That was awesome.
And it says 1:30:23. Then it says 2 minutes behind PR. I love this. Nice. So color grading is so important. Like the first thing I do is I'll go through clip by clip and just like make sure everything is adjusted right, like each clip individually. And then I'll go over top of all of them and change the colors. Like for example, change how warm the lighting is, and to give all the shots over top like a certain consistency. And you do that in Premiere with something called an adjustment layer that you put on top, and then when you apply color, it applies it to everything. But the first step is to like make sure each clip looks good, and then you put something on top. And really that all is what gives it like a cinematic look, or that's what makes it all feel cohesive and like just different than you would have recorded right out of your camera, because you actually are literally changing the colors and making them seem like more intriguing, like softer and like unrealistic. But in a way that's like enticing or cool. You need to tell me if I'm being too poetic here, but here's what I got for the caption is, I love this as the title. Then it says, there's a magic to the treadmill sessions where my mind gets highly excitable about the YouTube videos I watch and want to make. I love this for me is about setting goals that scare you and showing up for them. I can't tell if it's like if that's like too high and mighty, right? Or if that's like, or if it's sentimental and nostalgic, because how I speak it, it feels, how it's spoken, it feels better to me than I don't know how it's written. Like if you read it, how that sounds. So this is always a scary moment because I've just put everything in here and I'm about gonna post it. And this is where I feel self-doubt, generally. I'm wondering if people are gonna be confused about the whole thing because I don't ever say that SF half marathon, like, when I'm going, oh, that was awesome. I don't know if it's clear that I've just finished the race, Maybe that's a weakness, but I think I think we should ship it. Let's ship it. Let's see how it looks. That was awesome. That was awesome. Oh God, the hashtag. I mean, it's a little cringe, a little bit, right? But I think it's also cool. I think it's cool. I'm glad we did that. All right.